Using common English expressions in daily conversations helps improve fluency and confidence. These expressions make communication more natural and effective. Whether you are greeting someone, asking for help, agreeing or disagreeing, or sharing your opinion, using the right phrases ensures smooth interactions. Let's explore some essential expressions and how to use them. 1. Greetings and introductions. Starting a conversation often begins with a greeting or introduction. Here are some useful phrases. Hi. How are you? A simple way to start a friendly conversation. Nice to meet you. Used when meeting someone for the first time. What do you do? A polite way to ask about someone's job or occupation. For example, A. Hi. How are you? B. I'm doing great, thank you. How about you? A. I'm good too. Nice to meet you. B. Nice to meet you too. Practicing these greetings helps you feel more comfortable in social situations. 2. Asking for help when learning English. You may need to ask for help. Here are some polite ways to do so. Could you help me, please? A polite way to request assistance. I don't understand. Could you repeat that? Used when you need clarification. For example, excuse me, could you help me, please? B. Of course. What do you need help with? A. I don't understand this word. Could you explain it? B. Sure. It means. These expressions help you communicate clearly when you need assistance. 3. Agreeing and disagreeing in conversations. You may need to express agreement or disagreement. Here are some useful phrases. Agreeing. I agree with you. That's a great point. Disagreeing. I'm not sure about that. I see your point, but I think differently. For example, A. I think English is easy to learn. B. I agree with you. Practice makes it easier. Or A. I think learning English is boring. B. I'm not sure about that. I think it's interesting. These expressions help you participate in discussions while being respectful. 4. Expressing opinions. Sharing your thoughts is an important part of conversation. Here are some ways to express opinions. I think learning English is fun. A personal opinion. In my opinion, practice makes perfect. A polite way to express a belief. For example, what do you think about learning English? B. I think learning English is fun. A. Yes, in my opinion, practice makes perfect. Using these expressions makes conversations more engaging. Learning common expressions helps you communicate naturally. By practicing greetings, asking for help, agreeing or disagreeing, and sharing opinions, you can improve your English speaking skills. Keep practicing, and you will gain confidence in conversations.